Next, we discuss another problem. The average of two large samples of 500 and 800 members are 64 kg and 64.8 kg. Okay. Can the samples regarded as taken from same population of standard deviation 2 kg test at 5% level of significance? Again I repeat, the average of two large samples of 500 members and 800 members be 64 kg and 64.8 kg respectively. That is, here we consider average weight of 500 members and 800 members. Can the samples regarded as taken from same population of standard deviation 2 kg? Same population level at test at 5% level of significance. So solution: let x1 bar equal to mean of first sample. First sample means which contain 500 members. First sample, this is equal to 64. x2 mean of second sample, which is equal to 64.8. okay. Sample size n1 equal to sample size of first sample. So sample size of first sample is 500, which is greater than 30, and into sample size of second sample, this is equal to 800, which is also greater than 30. So here we use large sample test. Here question is, can the sample regarded as taken from same population with population standard deviation 2 kg? So null hypothesis. We assume this sample has taken from same population having standard deviation 2 kg. Now we will check this statement is false, this statement is true or false. Okay, now we will check this statement is false or true. So H0 is null hypothesis. We assume the sample, this is null hypothesis, assume the sample has taken from same population having standard deviation 2. Okay, we assume the sample has taken from same population having standard deviation 2. Now we will test this is true or false. So alternative hypothesis will be H1 mu1 not equal to mu2, since this is two-tailed test. So that is two-tailed test, So null hypothesis will be the sample has taken from same population. We assume the sample has taken from same population with standard deviation 2. Now we will check this statement is wrong or false. An alternative hypothesis will be complement of null hypothesis. So complement of null hypothesis means this is taken from same population. Same population means mu1 equal to mu2. mu1 equal to mu2. Okay, and alternative hypothesis will be complement of mu1 equal to mu2. This is mu1 not equal to mu2. So this is two-tailed test. Okay, test statistic. Since this is large sample test, so we use z test. So test statistic is z equal to x1 bar minus x2 bar by sigma x1 bar minus x2 bar. Okay, where sigma x1 bar minus x2 bar is standard error of difference of two mean, and formula of standard error of difference of two mean with common population standard deviation is sigma x1 bar minus x2 bar. This is the formula for standard deviation, standard error of difference of two mean is sigma into 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. This is the formula for standard error of difference of mean, where sigma is the population standard deviation. Okay, and this is the formula for common population standard deviation sigma. So here sigma is 2. So sigma is 2, given that population 2, and 1 by n1 is 500, n2 is 1 by 800. So 500 plus 1 by 800. So after calculation we get 0.11402. Okay, therefore z equal to x1 bar. So values of x1 bar is 64 and x2 bar is 64.8. So 64 minus 64.8 by this value 0.11402. So after calculation we get minus 7.0163. For two-tailed test we calculate value of mod z. So mod z equal to mod of this. So mod of this means 7.0163. Okay, so here level of significance be 5%. So level of significance alpha equal to 5%, that is 0.05. okay, that is 0.05. so critical value for 5% level of significance, critical value for two-tailed test is 1.960. okay, for 5% level of significance, critical value for two-tailed test is 1.960. so critical value of z is mod of z alpha equal to 1.960 at 5% level of significance for two-tailed test. Okay, so decision. Since here calculated value be mod z equal to 7.0163, since 7.0163 greater than this value 1.960, that is mod of z greater than mod of z alpha. Since calculated value greater than tabulated value, so null hypothesis rejected. So H0 rejected and H1 accepted. Alternative hypothesis accepted. So H0 rejected means this statement rejected. This sample has taken from same population having studied. So this statement rejected means sample has taken from different population, not same population. Since H0 rejected, hence samples has taken from sample has taken from different population. Okay, so sample has taken from different population. Since null hypothesis rejected, So this statement rejected. This statement is sample has taken from same population. So this statement is rejected. So sample has taken from different population. Okay. Now we will draw this figure. This is for total test. So error will occur both sides. So here 5% level of significance. So alpha equal to 0.05. This is alpha by 2. So alpha by 2 means 0.05 by 2 means 0.025, and this is also alpha by 2. This is 0.025. Okay, area of this region is 0.025 and area of this region is 0.025, and the remaining area of this portion is 1 minus alpha, that is 0.95, and this is accepted region. In this region null hypothesis accepted, and in this region null hypothesis rejected, and this point is critical value, and critical value of this point is 1.960. so this is minus 1.960, this is plus 1.960. Okay, okay, and here z is 7.10163. So 7.0163 belongs to this region, this 7.0163, this region, and this is also minus 7 point something, 71.0160. so this value lies this region, so we reject null hypothesis. Okay.